Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Jazz spark plugs. First, always make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. You will also need extensions to reach the plugs. Finally, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any accidental electrical shorts while you work. Now, let's get to removing the old spark plugs. Begin by carefully taking off the engine cover. Then, unplug the electrical connectors from each ignition coil. Unscrew the 10mm bolts securing the coils and gently pull each coil straight up and out. Use a 16mm spark plug socket with an extension to loosen the old spark plugs, turning them counterclockwise until they are free. Remove them carefully to avoid dropping debris into the engine. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a thin layer of high-temperature anti-seize lubricant to the threads of each new spark plug. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head. Carefully hand-thread each new spark plug into its well to avoid cross-threading. Once finger-tight, use your torque wrench to tighten them to 25 Newton-meters. This ensures they are secure without being over-tightened, which could cause damage. For the final steps, carefully reinsert the ignition coils into their wells, making sure they click firmly into place. Tighten the 10mm bolts to 8 Newton-meters. Reconnect the electrical connectors to each coil and replace the engine cover. Reconnect your car's battery. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to ensure everything is operating smoothly. If you're looking for more great deals and helpful products, check the description below for links, including one for the Echo Dot smart speaker. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.